is like the rollout for Ulen Uskumbelengs, which is I don't even know what that word means because I remember when we first saw that and that shit trended nationally.
Yeah, it trended, bro.
Yeah,
2.1 million views on TikTok.
That's massive.
1.9 million views on Facebook.
Okay, like no money, keke as well, but it's not gonna be a real song. And also when the actual song came out, because that's like a small portion of the song. Like ingoma yaiva, but okay.
Yeah.
The song is fire. And then there's that part which is the element.
You're an element. Yeah.
Like take us through what was happening that day and also indone kwenze wena Nkombeme man.
Let me post this.
Freeze,
yeah, thing is uFreeze ngumuntu wechance because uFreeza uba MC mostly kwez events yabo. So uyathanda ukula izinto like uDJ uzodlala ne and then uFreeza acule. So he had this thing ukuthi hip hip hure chomi yami yazalwa. I'm like this is dope because up in South Africa sina ingoma ye birthday. Like if there's someone's birthday, which song do you okay, call something Soweto ne, but there's not a ingoma echayivisa ye birthday. Funa kuye ingoma zaka Drake, happy birthday, Chris Brown yabo. I'm like let's record this because I was 2 years ago and then some business studio Noshinyo and then we recorded the whole song. This is it ingoma the time uFreeza esenza lana. So we're like we need some ad-libs. Is it ad-libs is yeah. La business I was never supposed to buy iviwe yabo, but then that telling out I started from La Angle, and then I saw the video when I got home and I'm like I'm gonna post this because yan shaky because I'm like yo so poster le when I the first hour that I must not post the video. The first hour I think we got like 20K to 30. I'm like, for me, those were new numbers. 20K on Facebook. And then someone said to me, "Go to he posted on TikTok, and I posted on TikTok the following day." The time he posted on TikTok the following day, it had like 300K on Facebook. Then you know, but yona on TikTok. That's when I saw DJ Zinhle comment, Justin 99, the piano bro comment. Who else? Abanye the actresses and bars, you know, and then obviously people took that sound and then they made the video. Also TikTok, you take a sound and then when's the video? So yeah, and then when we were listening to the song, and then we're like, trend. So this thing I used to go by ad-libs.
Because people are waiting for that.
Because people want to hear that thing. So I told you, because she want to mail the way we originally planned it. Nothing fair to the way it's long Freezer. It can't be there, ad-libs. They're in the forefront. And Freezer didn't believe. I said, Majita, the way suppose the ad-libs, the fake local. Even the name of the song was supposed to be a birthday song. It ended up being Iskumbelens. So Iskumbelens is not even a word. It's just like, Omampinja,
just a talk.
Freezer, Uskumbelens, and Mars bomb Tatepi.
So they use the word now.
And then we use the word. But unayo ke iqombuza because I remember sasukumbo makapa wabuza Uskumbelens uthi Uskumbelens imuti just like vibe nje. Uskumbelens. You can use ingena kindoni na so we just find a way to explain it.
That's fire, and the song is a fire tune as well.
Yeah, it was.
The song is a fire tune, and they're born by Johnny Trio Enzim.
Yeah, kakhulu.
Was that inspired from Langom? About okay, cool.
We always no Freezer. Okay, no Shinyo sinengoma Sabawel.
Yeah, that was a massive song. Yeah.
And then I remember the time Sabawel a blower. Freezer had ingoma Koni Impimpi la. Yeah, okay, it was doing crazy numbers, and then Freezer we sasitiba sizotibana but Freezer uhlala eMotherwell ushinyo uhlala eZwide uhlala eMaxaki soloko sibhizi. So I thought no, must record the album I need, and that song was supposed to be the album. Yeah, Noshinyo, because Noshinyo we were doing albums like the business album, so we thought that song was gonna be the album, but that in fact it trend lena because the album sisayipheka asiyabo sikuphani. By the time sikupi album, no one will remember this. Let's take out the song now. So after 2 days, they posted a video on social media. Ushinyo wakupa a 1 minute of the song, like how it sounds, and people were impressed. People were
it
impressed.
Also did numbers.
short audio, it did numbers. And then like the following week we just dropped the song. Okay, Lengoma Ayizubake album. It's just a promo for the album. Yeah.
And also you guys were like quite aggressive with the media tour as well, just after like
we
like
had
you were pressing like
yeah, we were pressing saya a few like I don't know what to call that. It's like a podcast but it's a radio at the same time. Like a radio like a breakfast club, so
yeah.
I don't know what to call it. Podcast, audio visual, and then we did like for 2 months we did like a mini tour about okay, let's approach as now, and then we perform the song, we promote the song.
So let's talk about the album now.
Yeah, Pretty Girls Love Gqom. Yeah, Pretty Girls Love Gqom. Noshinyo. Funny story, Noshinyo, after Usabaweli we had a fallout. We had a fallout with Usabaweli. Always, yeah. Once into ibe big, there's always Nansika, but we had a fallout. We even had these songs to each other. But the nice thing about Rushinyo, we respect each other because even in the diss songs, Saz's Copa 2020, it was still respectful. It was still about the music.
It was bantu bantu beef.
Yeah. So it was, yeah, it wasn't hard. It was mainly on umculo, but yeah, nje manje engenamsebenzi of so. And then the funny thing, umlosidibanisleyo okay, cause uFreedom yachayisana nami yachayisana noShinyo, and then wathetha something yabo man ndihleli noShinyo apha, and then noShinyo wathi afon anytime ajani ngazi. That was the first time we spoke, and then saphela sancokola again noShinyo beginning of this year. So last year this time besingachayisana noShinyo.
Look at where you guys are now.
And then Laweliana, funny like Laweliana, it made me realize ukuthi dog le way yoba singa sebensanini like ayikho grand, you know, because imagine Oga was still gonna be in my corner, Shinyo was also gonna be in his corner, Freedom, yeah, and we're not the only one. So now we saw good at least ngoku sesibadala egaming, we wanna inspire the upcoming because ingxaki ezinwana zifika egaming ziyabona iHotmans mos ziyathukana ubana kavana nobana ayikho sharp la we, yabo, and sufuna ba steering man. Yeah. And also when into yakho iduma right now ne eswadelela machita, yeah, because they are okay Ukraine ngoku, but remember everything is a phase. Everything is a phase, so we're old enough to understand ukuthi dog le uyayispani le ba singavani, not even if anivani ne, but lando yongasebenzisani na, you guys don't have beef, but why don't you guys collaborate? Collaboration is what is gonna build the music industry, because even back to what I was talking about earlier, Guti, hey, why like why is it always this type of music? Bayabona na almost but is out here van, why is ngasebenzisani? So go figure wena uFreedom uthethino no Fabi, how about nidibane nize nende one, then we can help you guys. So otherwise Pretty Girls Love Gqom is gonna drop on 23 October. Yeah, well we recorded like 20 tracks, but we had to choose benfuna 10 but we ended up recording ezi 13. I mean we ended up cutting it down to ezi 13. So it grand because we started recording mhlawumbe February unyaka eqala, and then nge February I wasn't the same person I was in June, I wasn't the same person I was in October. So in the grand ngayo is that you're gonna hear in moments ke album okay I'm going through this, so it doesn't sound even the same. The production kashinyo changes, even its subject matter changes throughout the album. So when you listen to the album, it's gonna take you, I'm gonna take you to a journey, man.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's like it's journey. So Pretty Girls Love Gqom is just a cool name.
Nah, that's
it's just a cool name. Like that, the one album got Drake, you know, Party Next Door, Sexy Songs for You. I'm like, what Drake are turning it with an amateur. Any fans I'm amateur. So I'm like, Pretty Girls Love Gqom. And calling it Pretty Girls Love Trap. I'm like, let me just do it. Pretty Girls Love Gqom.
2 Chainz, right? Yeah.
2 Chainz,
ne? 2 Chainz.
I'm like, into Embule. I mean, the title is serious, great, man. The journey of the Gqom, of the story. So but deep sometimes, just Paula.
They Paula's be simple, straight to the point.
Straight to the point. Amachera masha thandi Gqom.
Yeah. And really,
they
honestly,
do. They do. Yo.
Uzobona
ke music videos sizozikhupha after yabhom idropile. You want to see the Pretty Girls.
So I think the PE nightlife you can correct me if I'm wrong. Healthy at this point.
Kakul.
Are you as like the local artist making a bit more money than before? Because of course there's a lot going on right now. Because I can even think from last week to this week to the other week.
Yeah, healthy. Okay, I would say now I'm making more money as an artist. Because remember, I was an event organizer.
Let's separate.
Yeah, so as purely artist, I was telling the event and the organized purely on me getting booked for umculo, DJ or performer. Yeah, healthy and also amapiano as Gqom rules Islam yabo. So in them nani ngoku like healthy, it's open, like it's open field for everyone now. 3-step is coming along nicely, Afrotech, hip hop now here and there, yayibona ispaza now here and there. So in them nani ngoku even ngoma yakhe grand, and with the help of TikTok, even ngoma yakhe grand, we don't need as publications, even ngoma yakhe ithandiwe ngabondwana or cookie video trendy leyo. It's like a hit can come from anyone right now. Anyone, it can be an mculo, bra. That's why you must never give up on music, art, because with umculo ndinguFabiano namhlanje ndihleli apha kumerumini one room ngomso uBlack Coffee tweets about me saying there's this kid from PE called Fabiano Istirani. So I get 1 million followers. The following week he's flying me to Ibiza. The following month I have a song with him. You are one song away. So in everything that you do,
one moment away.
You are one moment away to whatever, or you're working towards. So yeah, you're healthy.
And I think Indoye, speaking of Indoye moments, and it's always a chat we have with the Q. Even the first time.
Shout out Q.
Shout outs to my bro.
Behind the scenes.
Yeah. So we always had this chat of when we started la podcast previous, because of like how social media works and how like the world works right now. Like I was emphasizing to the bros, I'm like, gents, in moment land. That's why I was like, let's drop clips. Let's drop, like if we was a dropper on a Thursday, they will end up with Teta when about
no, procrastinate.
Yeah, like don't think about like I need to roll out for this. No. Like just drop.
Yeah.
Just drop.
Yeah, kule benithetha ba ingxaki into kwenza overthink or procrastinate. You must understand ukuthi as the artist you are an outsider, you are weird, so don't try to ba ufune uwoyika abantu what if I post this video, maybe you have a video, uthatha video, you're talking to yourself, man, I go crazy. So just don't wait for a moment until just do it, whatever you think are your hands, and then people are gonna tell you. So hence even Oshinyo, we did Ingomezi 13, we were like, let's do more songs. We don't know it's single because we were gonna drop a single. So Oshinyo said, no man, let's drop the whole album. And then let's record the live mix, and then people are gonna pick which one. So meaning, so umculo wako, so anything both like art yako, craft yako, so nika bandu, people are gonna tell you
what they
like.
Gravitate towards whatever they like, a specific team. Yeah. But are you gonna add the Iskombelengs as part of
the
single?
Because Iskombelengs say Ushinyo semtropile as Ushinyo featuring Freedom and Fabiano. Because with this kid, we have to create
like a joint,
publishing or distribution. Also, already sesimkhuphile. So now, Pretty Girls Love Gqom is gonna be Fabiano noShinyo.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, but it's calling on my Z2 zaka Freedom. Yeah, both it's no Z3 zaka Freedom. This when's we Freedom. Hopefully after this. If Pretty Girls Love Gqom, Freedom is gonna drop now EP, just 4 or 5 songs. And then there's a brewer called Umandira. He's a piano brewer, quite a brewer, but ukona na album Umandira. Look out for him. We also gonna drop amapiano, Twaikwapi, quiet on the piano, Twaikwapi, very nice. And also ngoma yam nomlista. It's me ngoma kamlista featuring Umandira, myself, noShinyo, Ikwapi. So like Klano benithetha collaboration siyazana nalamachita. Tell me why zanga sasebenza sonke. Jamazi na kuMandira uGrand is nice. Umlisa sisuku sipana naye. Ngiyaqabana noShinyo why? Shinyo gave me the biggest hit. I gave Shinyo his biggest hit. we both Noshinyo gave Leicester his biggest hit. But why Singaspan? It worked. Guy won. But why not abuse it?
Yeah.
Why not abuse it? Like why? Asifuna bangathi bone silawe. No, balawe. Mabadikwe. Then you're like, okay, maybe we need to tone it down. Maybe we need to do
after
something
you just
new.
squeeze
Like a toothpaste. Udu sige ngesikere lawe. Uyabo manje la ncinda le pha izantsi yabo.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, yabo. So yeah, the album is sounding dope.
Are you gonna be still doing events zakho? Come Trap Juice, can we expect that?
It come Trap Juice. It became Rayam. Let me take off my shades. It come Trap Juice, ne? Remember, it come Trap Juice in without a budget for the longest time. The game has changed now. It came changed. So it come Trap Juice. The only way I'm gonna do it come Trap Juice is if I get a backing, a muscle. I need to get a muscle. So if there's anyone out there who's watching, who's liking the boy, who's been seeing the boy, Kamulam Ufa Piano is Tirani, didn't even try it come Trap Juice that used to happen annually. I had to stop because of it was coming out of my own pocket. I come now to send the event, Ipuma Gimbogoto yako. Usenze event ujonge abantu ujonge negate ukuthi hey if abantu abangeni ngemali apha I won't be able to pay this artist, I won't be able to pay for this sound. Yabo, as an artist you should focus on umculo wakho. Now affect creativity yakho because ngoku busy performer or you're doing this yabo une stress braba hey am I going to be able to make this money? Kanti ngoku the only way I'm going to make it come Trap Juice is if there's anyone out there who's watching this show Maverick and with any type of funding sponsorship yabo. The event already it's a big event and that's Xelela Praba and this event if it's not gonna live up to the standard. And ngoku ingxaki you have to do something new every year. You can't be doing the same thing. See Milky let come Trap Juice with locals. Now we still wanna keep the locals, but we need to, because the idea of it come Trap Juice was to take it from Ithaven to Ibala or anywhere just to make it a festival. Make it a festival, and we want to make it for all races. We want to include colored people, white people, black people, Indian, black, whatever. It's that type of festival. It come Trap. You can't let it come Trap Juice, because the com is for it com. It trap is hip hop. It juice. Juice is piano. It's rock and roll. It's whatever. That's why it's fucking juice. Yeah. So it's all coming bra. Or that guy or that lady who's watching there. He was watching there.
Nigga mali man. Let him cook. Let him cook. Yeah.
So I like Leon Sishoba. I was like, let me start, and then Bazon Kola
along the way.
But instead, I'm gonna keep trying. And instead, they were like, let's see where this goes.
Oops, the battery died during the shoot. I hope you enjoying the episode because here's more.
So you're saying the mere fact that you made it to first team, Mitlela is state of.
Trust me, the fact that I made it to first team, about how low the power was. If power was really low, because if I told them the leave VP or Lawson Brown, I was probably gonna be third team or fourth if you call. But it died ball like a song, but not really a good player.
Now I was a decent player. I quit Lendo because
but now I'm
yeah, like because I quit it very early when I came back in high school. That's I think under 15, and then I got for the other trials. I made it to the B team. I was like, nope.
Yeah.
Because away intercom.
Yeah.
Team. I was because like. People know, the ladies know about you, Nana.
Jobs again.
With the other groups, not the first team.
Yeah. Under 14 or under 15A, and then if you a high school grade 8, then I was the first team. And then the first day is Pagi Nets. I remember Tishara. He used to be my music teacher, Mr. Boucher. He was like, Mzi, I saw you bat, I saw you bowl. I'm gonna put you on my team. B team. I'm like, it's not because I'm fitting the credit for you. And then that was the last day. I'm like, I'm not gonna be B team. Any A team from a summer or day primary, I'm not gonna be B team. Then you got cricket.
Welcome to my world. That's why I quit football.
Okanye niphakanyiswe i-assembly ba top achievers uscore mhlawumbe uba uArt uscore goal ezi4. Can you please stand up umiso lawo i-assembly and you playing for i-B team? But yehlekisa thinking now like ngoku akhona wrong. But ikhona lingqondo you are very small minded xa high school. Like whatever enigezelana ngalo. I remember, okay, off topic. I remember ukhona umntana waye grand. Ha, amnana amajita most high school when you kids you are very mean. Abantwana ba mean lawe. So you'd find something funny ngalomnana. Fans bakodwa lomnana nimdala waye grand lamnana. Like she was hot when umzimba grand but amajita always mhlawumbe umuntu une birthmark nje encinci. It was a thing. Ugezelwe it's very childish yawo. So I couldn't wrong with the B team, bro. Because the thing is, I did see a guy that started playing for a B team, ended up being promoted to a team. So I could have stuck. Now you were supposed to stick to a B team. Maybe Shambi, metric or grade 11, you're gonna be promoted to a team, first team.
Nah, bro. Like, nah.
Don't you yeah, still, but no, Jaguva Fouls, but nah.
The thing is, like I sort of grasp the concept right now of not being good at something, even though it feels like a humiliation ritual at some point for you to sort of like progress from not being good to getting a bit decent and then ube grand. With isoccer, like as when like a VP tournament or whatever, you like if awubonakali from your like if like nothing like in doing a football because like earlier on I liked it. I even thought like hey maybe I could pursue this.
Yeah.
But the moment I saw that tournament, you're not the key guy. Even with team yakho kanye kwisikela sakho. I was like, nah, don't like, let's do the rapping or the radio.
The pressure macheri. One like derby day, and let's say you've lost in Brown and VP. Xa kudlala i-second team ne-third team akugcwale pavilion and then like most
i-break
ePSN mos okay manje ePSN kwakho ibala lesoka ne beke le rugby mhlawumbe ke kuzadlala first team soccer and then kudlale i-second team and then beke netball ne-hockey nendolo like those dlala xesha li-1 but xa kudlala i-first team rugby asike esinye sport esidlalwayo so meaning everyone is watching that game so ila pressure kokuba hey mna ndibukela nobukela xa dlala so that's why city it's that thing of ucinga like you only see as far as
and also man the logistics of it because like imagine my bros play for the first team like in war came home from like playing one man because of you playing with the other kids abanga quality abayobukelwa ngabazali just for the inspiration. I was like nah
don't you feel like we missed a lot of opportunities because of maybe mhlambi backgrounds zethu lawe because you'd see that other kids were supported by abazali and stuff like that because I know with even soccer not just soccer but with ezinye that I feel like as otak because of we came from amakhaya akho privileged opportunities is possible nxa londo leyo maybe mhlawumbe a new pair of boots i-cox yabo mhlawumbe awunazo and you're like yeah but lenwana ine-cox ezi-grand and then yona xa idlala abazali weske that's why in the city maybe mhlawumbe yabo izikolo zaselokishini because you all underprivileged lokishini yabo.
This guy almost said you all poor.
No thing is
let's cancel him.
No thing is just bhala nami because waselokishini yabo but ingxaki like when you are with rich kids and then usuke lokishini wena that thing is not the same whereas if ufune lokishini niyafana nonke. You guys are all the same, so good grand. So
man. Play, bro.
And I wish I had the confidence, and I think the confidence because of that. I wish sometimes when I look at in moments as a high school, as a program, I'm like, I said, the confidence now to back to high school.
That's the whole point. That's
how you wanna learn.
Hindsight is a luxury. My brother, this was been like a dope episode. Any parting words? When I have. Before we wrap up,
any parting? Okay, first of all, thank you, Chu.
Shout.
Thank you, Maverick. Thank you to the Maverick Show. This is a top show. I just want to say, I'm not gonna give out inspiration because I feel like this whole interview was inspiration and motivation. Yabo. So I just want to tell you guys, you must keep doing what we need. All sorts or all types of mediums. The only way we're gonna grow entertainment is that we need to have all these mediums coexist. It's film, it's acting, it's art, drawing, it's comedy, it's music. We need to make yonke way coexist actually one. Yeah, also I like this show. That's why I didn't even hesitate. The time approach, I didn't even think twice. So guys, please support this Bruce the same way. If fans if it's Bugele, they must go and subscribe to his page.
Subscribe.
And follow them on all their social media platforms. Otherwise, Pretty Girls Love Gqom is coming 23 October. Fabiano Noshinyo.
Ciao, my brother. That's a wrap.
Yeah, man. Interview, like interview, but it's like a conversation. And you know what I like? So where did Fabiano start? I like the fact that it was just a conversation. Otherwise, thanks, my brother.
Shout out, my brother. There should be a part 2.
Definitely needs, you know.
That was clean.
Yeah, that was clean.